Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. The running topic is circles. See here. So already one exercise completed. Next term, position of a point. Okay na? Suppose position of a point. Okay na? So the circle divides the plane into three parts. See here. Suppose see here. This is the coordinate system. Origin, x-axis, this is y-axis there. So in this coordinate system we are drawing one circle. Okay now? So the circle divides the plane into three parts. The three parts namely interior point of the circle, the points on the circle, exterior points on the circle. Okay now? So we are drawing a circle in this plane, not only this one. Suppose this is we are taking the one plane. Okay now? In this plane we are drawing one circle. Okay now? So this circle divides the plane. The circle divides the plane into three parts. So that is contained. This is the center. So this is the interior points of the circle. Okay now? Here interior points. Okay now? So these are the points of the circle. Okay now? This is nothing but this one. Circumference. These points are called circumference. Next to this one, which one, sir? These all points are exterior points of the circles. Exterior points. So these points are circumference. Circumference points. Okay now? So in the plane we are drawing a circle. The circle divides the three parts. Okay now? So see the first part. See here. What is the first part, sir? See the interior points of the circle. Interior points of the circle. Okay now? Second one. Okay now? See here, first one what is this, sir? Interior point of the circle. Second one, so the circumference which is the curve, the circumference which is the circular curve. So that is nothing but this one. That is the points on the circle. Okay now? So third one, exterior points of the circle. Exterior points of the circle. Okay now? There are 3 points are there. What are the 3 points, sir? The 3 points namely, first one what is there, sir? The interior points of the circle. Second one which one, sir? The circumference which is the circular curve. Okay now? So third one, exterior points of the circle. Okay now? Totally here 3 parts are there. So see here. What are the exterior, sir? These all are exterior. These points are interior point. These points, we are taking the circle. We are taking the points on the circle. These points are which ones are circumference point. These points are called circumference point. Okay now? See here. So how to find the, suppose in this plane we are denoting. This is the circle is there. Okay now? So this is the coordinate plane x, here y. Okay now? Here there is the circle is there. Okay now? Here there is the circle is there. So here we are taking, this is the center. Here P be the one point in this plane we are taking. Okay now? P be the one point in this plane. So with respect of the circle, the point is interior point of the circle or exterior point of the circle or on the point of the circle we can find. Okay now? So how to find? See here. So this is nothing but, sir. Here center to any point on the circle is nothing but radius. Okay now? Center to any point on the circle is nothing but, sir, radius. Okay na? Here P be the, suppose P be the point on the circle is there. The point P be the point on the circle. First condition what is there? Interior point of the circle is there. So interior point of circle means inside of the circle. In that case, radius value is, so we are finding the distance between CP. So if the first one what is the interior point of the circle. In that case, CP is the distance from center to any point on the circle. So interior point means P value is which one, sir? Less than or greater than value. R is the greatest value. CP less than R. CP less than R. In that case, like this one. This is the small r. Here the point P is there. This is the CP. This is which one, sir? Small r. In that case, radius is greatest value. So if CP is less than R is there, so in that case the interior point of the circle, okay now? So the circumference of the circle, the circumference which is the circular curve, in that case P be the position point on the circle. Here CP is equal to what is the value? R. CP is equal to what is the value? Small r. Okay now? So exterior point of the circle is there. Exterior point of circle in that case CP greater than what is the value? Small r. Here P point, first one circumference. This is the interior point. So here we are taking the point P like this one. This is the center. Here CP. This is which one, sir? Radius. So compared to radius, CP is the greatest value. CP greater than R. In that case, exterior points of the circle. Interior point of circle means CP less than R. So the point of the circle CP is equal to R. Okay now? So by using of these conditions we can find the position of the point with respect to the circle we can find. Okay now? So CP less than R, CP is equal to R, CP greater than R. Understand? Again repeating on here once. So here there is the circle is there. So the circle divides the plane three parts. What are the three parts? Exterior part of the circle, interior part of the circle, circumference part of the circle. Okay now? So this is which one, sir? Interior part. Interior points or parts. Okay now? This is the interior part. This is which one? Circumference. Circumference. So this is which one, sir? Exterior part. These all are nothing but which one, sir? Exterior part. Okay now? So first all of you have this one interior points of circle, the circumference which is the circular curve, third one exterior point of circle. First all of you have this one. See here. So observe this one. Next theorem. Let S is equal to 0 be a circle in a plane P of x1 comma y1 be any point in the same plane. Then the first one P lies in the interior of the circle implies and implied S11 less than 0. P lies on the circle S11 less than 0. P lies in exterior of the circle implies and implied S11 greater than 0. So here by using of this theorem we can find the position of a point with respect to the circle. Okay now? So by using of this theorem we can find the position of a point with respect to the circle. There is nothing but interior point of circle, exterior point of circle, otherwise point on the circle. Okay now? See, now we are proving this small theorem. See the proof of it. See here, this is the theorem for which one, sir? Position of a point. By using of this theorem we can find the position of a point. There is nothing but interior or exterior or point on the circle. See, first here like this one. Suppose this is the circle. This is which one, sir? Center. The circle is nothing but S is equal to 0. Okay now? See, first we are taking, let S is equal to which one we are taking, sir? So be the, let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0 be the equation of which one, sir? Given circle. Equation of given circle. Okay, na? Here what is the center, sir? What is the center of the circle? Center is equal to minus g comma minus f, and radius small r is equal to g square plus f square minus cm. Radius small r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Okay, now see here we are taking p is equal to x1 comma y1. P is equal to x1 comma y1 b any point in the plane. Any point in the plane. Okay, now so p of x1 comma y1 be the any point in the plane. Okay, now so with respect to the circle, the point P lies inside of circle or outside of circle or point on the circle. Already last class we discussed the notation sum. Here s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to plus c is there. So we are applying the notation to s1. S1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus cm. This is the rotation of which one, sir? S1. Here S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is the notation of S11. Okay, now and S12 is also there. Okay, now so no matter this one here only S11 is required. What is the notation of S11, sir? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now here first case, observe this one. Here what is the first case, sir? P lies in the interior of the circle. First condition we are taking. What is the first condition, sir? P lies in the interior of the circle. The point P which is interior of the circle. Here observe, so we are taking the one circle. Okay, now here we are taking the one circle. This is the coordinate system. Origin x-axis, here which is y-axis. This is the center. Okay, now here P is the position. So P is which is with respect to the circle. P is the which point, sir? Interior point of the circle. Okay, now here radius of circle nothing but which is the center to any point of the circle nothing but which is radius of the circle. Here this is the CP. Compared to CP, which is the greatest value? Radius is the greatest value. So the point P lies interior of the circle. Radius is greatest value to CPM, center to the point. CP, here we are taking CP less than RM. Here which condition we are taking, sir? CP less than R. Squaring on both sides, that is nothing but here CP square less than R square. CP square less than R square. C is nothing but center. What is the center, sir? Here minus g comma minus f is the center. What is the coordinates of P, sir? x1 comma y1. Here we are writing C is equal to minus g comma minus f. Here P is equal to what is the value of P, sir? x1 comma y1. R is equal to g square plus f square. That implies R square is equal to g square plus f square minus cm. R square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So now we are calculating this one. Okay, na? See here, CP square less than R square. CP square less than R square. Okay, now CP square less than R square. C is equal to minus g comma P is equal to x1 comma y1. CP square. So x1 plus g, here x1 minus x2 whole square. X1 minus or minus g, what is the value? Plus g. Here x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square less than what is the value? R square. x1 plus g whole square. Here y1 plus f whole square less than R square. That implies and implied. And now we are expanding this one. x1 square plus 2gx1 plus whatever g square plus y1 square plus 2f y1 plus f square less than r square is there, but we have r square value is there. What is the r square value? G square plus f square minus that implies x1 square plus 2gx1 plus g square plus here y1 square plus 2f y1 plus f square less than r square is equal to g square plus f square minus cm. Here g square plus f square minus c. This total value we are taking to the left side. Okay, now the total value we are taking to the left side. Here x1 square plus 2gx1 plus g square plus here y1 square plus here 2f y1 plus f square here minus g square minus f square plus c less than 0. Here plus g square minus g square cancel, plus f square minus f square also cancel. The remaining value x1 square plus here y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c less than 0. And remember this one, we have the notation is there x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c is nothing but equal to sir s11. So here that implied s11 less than 0. This is the notation of s11 less than 0. If it is satisfied which condition? S11 less than 0 is there. First condition what is there? S11 less than 0. In that case the P lies interior of the circle. What is the position of P, sir? The P is the interior point of the circle. If it is satisfied which condition? S11 less than 0. S11 less than 0 means S11 is the negative value. Okay now? How to find S11, sir? By using of this formula x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c less than 0. In that case, we can find which is sir S11 value we can find. So second point what is there here? P lies on the circle. Okay now? P lies which one sir? Second one on the circle. In that case, so we are taking like this one. P lies on the circle. So P lies on the circle. On the circle. That implies S11 is equal to 0. Here we are taking the circle like this one. This is the center. This is the point P. P option sir x1 comma y1. Here the P lies on the circle. In that case CP is nothing but sir R. Ganam. So P lies on the circle. That implies what I show sir S11 is equal to 0. So our condition is CP is equal to what is the value? R. The point on the circle in that case CP is equal to R. Squaring on both sides. CP whole square is equal to R square. C is equal to what is the number? Minus G comma minus F. P is equal to x1 comma y1. R square is equal directly by writing R square is equal to G square plus F square minus Cm. So here distance between the 2 points C and P. Here x1 plus G whole square plus here y1 plus F whole square is equal to R square G square plus F square minus Cm. x1 plus G whole square x1 square plus 2gx1 plus G square here y1 square plus 2f y1 plus f square is equal to G square plus F square minus C. Here G square cancel, F square cancel. The minus C is there. Minus C we are taking to the left side. Then what we are getting sir? x1 square plus 2gx1 here y1 square plus 2f y1 is equal to minus C is there. We are taking left side plus C is equal to 0. Here x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 Here 2f y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c is equal to 0. Notation of which one, sir? S11 is equal to 0. If it is satisfying S11 is equal to 0, the point which one, sir? P lies on the circle. If S11 is equal to 0, P lies on the circle point. Okay now? Next one, third one. What is this, sir? Third one. Here, P lies exterior point of the circle. Okay now? P lies which one, sir? P lies in the exterior of the circle. Here also same proof is there. In that case, like this one. Here we are writing diagram. This is the coordinate system. X-axis. This is which one, sir? Y-axis. This is the circle. Here PB is the which one, sir? Exterior point of the circle with respect to the circle which one, sir? See at center. Here this is the CP. Here which is the greatest value, sir? CP is the greatest value. CP less than R, CP greater than R. Okay now? CP greater than R in that case. That implies CP greater than which one, sir? R. Here this is radius is nothing but center to any point on the circle is the radius. So compared radius, CP value is greatest value. CP greater than R. Here CP square greater than which one, sir? R square. Okay now? So by using of this concept, here we can find which one, sir? What we are getting up here? S11 greater than 0 we are getting. Okay now? See? So same here also we are showing S11 greater than 0. CP square. C is equal to minus G comma minus F. P is equal to x1 comma y1. R square is equal to, here R square is equal to G square plus F square minus CM. CP square is x1 plus G whole square plus here y1 plus F whole square greater than R square G square plus F square minus CM. G square plus F square minus C. Here x1 plus G whole square. Here x1 square plus 2gx1 plus whatever G square. Here y1 plus whole square is nothing but y1 square plus 2f y1 plus F square greater than G square plus F square minus CM. G square cancel. F square also cancel. Remain this minus C we are taking the left side. Here already what is the x square plus 2gx1. Here y1 square plus 2f y1. Okay now? Greater than minus C is there. Here minus C we are taking left side plus C greater than 0. Here we are writing an order x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c greater than 0. This is nothing but s11 greater than 0. x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c greater than 0. That is the rotation of which one, s11. Okay now? So we are taking one example. Okay now, how the position of point with respect to the circle, that is now we are discussing. So this only remember this theorem statement of P lies interior of the circle. In that case S11 less than 0. S11 is the negative value. The point P lies which is the interior point of circle. Here S11 is equal to 0 is there. P lies on the circle. Here S11 greater than 0. Positive value is there. P lies exterior point of the circle. Okay now? So first all of you write down this theorem. So see here, now we are taking one example problem. Okay now? Find the position of the point 2 comma minus 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3. See here, this is the coordinate system, this is the origin, this is which one, sir? X-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the circle is there. We have the three conditions are there. interior point of the circle S11 less than 0. Point of the circle S11 is equal to 0. Exterior point of the circle S11 greater than 0. By using of the three conditions, we can find interior or exterior or point of the circle. We can find. Okay now. See the solution. Find the position of the point 2, minus with respect to the circle. Yes, first given circle. What is the given circle, sir? S is equal to, we are taking x square plus y square. Here minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the S value. Here given point. Okay now, what is the given point, sir? That is nothing but P is equal to 2, minus 1. That is x1, y1. So we have the notation of which one is there, sir? S11 notation is there. S11 is nothing but here x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is the value of which one, sir? S11. Okay now. Here observe this one. 2g is equal to what is the value? Minus 2. This one compare with x square plus y square. 2g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 4 plus c. Just only we are substituting x place. What we are replacing, sir? x1, y1. And x1 is equal to 2. y1 is equal to minus 1. Then s11 is equal to, don't write equal to 0. S11 value x1 square. There is nothing but 2 square plus y1 square minus 1 whole square. 2g into x1. 2g is equal to what is there? Minus 2 into x1 is nothing but 2 minus 4 into y. Y is equal to what is there? Minus 1 plus c. That is nothing but plus 3 Okay na? So minus 2 into 2 plus minus 4 into minus 1. Now we are simplifying this one. 2 square is equal to 4. Minus 1 square is equal to 1. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Okay now? 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3. What is the value? 8. S11 is equal to 8. 8 is the positive value or negative value? Positive value. S11 greater than 0. S11 greater than 0 means this is the center. In that case, P be the outside of the circle point. Here 2, minus 1. S11 less than 0 is there. P be the inside of the circle. Okay now, S11 is equal to 0 is P is the point of the circle. S11 is equal to 8 greater than 0. Therefore, P is equal to 2, minus 1 is the outside of the circle. Outside of the circle. 2, minus 1 is it, sir? Outside of the circle point. Here always remember this one. This one S11. Here x1, y1 is given in our question. x11 notation x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay now? So right, next class will be continued tomorrow.